Hello guys, this is my first video. I hope you like it. For today, I've thought of let's start with chemistry today. Today we will be discussing about an atom. What is an atom and about its structure. So today's topic atom. What is an atom? Early in the day, Maharishi Kanad called it Anu, for which is an English term atom. Simply, an atom is the simplest and the indivisible particle of a matter, of any substance we can see around us. Like, let us consider this as an iron bar. This is made up of iron. Now let's divide it to two, then again to four, then again, 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 again. At some time, we'll reach a stage where we cannot divide it anymore. At that stage, we will get something known as an atom. An atom. An atom is made up of three subatomic particles because earlier in the day people said that atom is indivisible, but later we found out that atom is also divisible. An atom is made up of three things. That is, first, an electron, 2, proton, and 3, neutron. An electron has negative charge and represented by the letter E with a negative sign or minus sign on the top. Proton has a positive charge represented by the letter P with a positive sign or a plus sign on top. And there comes the most important, but this is the one that has been hardest to discover. Neutron represented by the letter N. That's it. That's how you write proton and neutron. Now, anything that is made up of something has a structure. Like, now let us talk about the structure. An atom is kind of a simple structure. An atom is like a ball with a small sphere in the center, and there are circular rings all around it, like this. The center is made up of what we call proton and neutron, and this is called the nucleus. And the rings around it are known as orbits or shells, or we can also call them as energy levels. We see that the number of protons and the number of neutrons in the nucleus shall always be equal. And we know that if something has more positive charge than negative, or something that has more negative charge than the positive, is unstable. But we know that atoms are very stable. So this is not possible to have only protons and neutrons in the center nucleus of an atom. So this must have an electrons. So the number of electron is generally equal to the number of proton. Like this has 4 dots in the center, so it has 2 proton and 2 neutron. Therefore this must have 2 electrons. Okay, you got it? That's easy. Now let us talk about what is the speciality of these electrons. These electrons are not stationary, unlike the proton and neutron. They revolve around. And these shells are represented by the letter K. The first shell is represented by the letter K, second one L. It starts from K and continues. We can also represent it by the number 1, first shell, 2, second shell. Now, we know that there is anything we can see has a limit. So there is also a limit how much of electrons an energy level can hold. This limit is given by the formula 2n square. The 2n square rule is very important. Now this is an electron, and now this is a proton, this is an atom. This is the nucleus. It's the K shell or the first shell. Now how many electrons does it have? 2n square rule. N represents the number of the shell. So this is the first shell, therefore 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. So the K shell must have at maximum can have 2 electrons. Similarly, the L shell at max can have 8 electrons. And there is one more thing. It's about energy, about which we will discuss in another video. Whenever something revolves in a circular orbit, it tends to lose energy. So we know that the electrons are moving in a circular orbit, so these must radiate energy, making it highly unstable, but this is not so. So it's not possible now, I guess. But the thing is, Niels Bohr and his associate Bury made it clear that these are not any level, these are special energy levels in which, however they rotate, they do not radiate energy. That's all.